Hi everyone! So this week I just moved into an apartment with my boyfriend. We're still getting settled in, but I'm looking forward to decorating the place and making it feel like home. One of my goals this year is to cook healthy meals at home more often. So today I've partnered up with HelloFresh to help me cook my first meal in my apartment and work towards that goal. Hey guys, so we're in my new apartment, just moved in yesterday, basically haven't finished unpacking or decorating at all, but I thought I'd take this opportunity to try out something that I've been wanting to try out, which is HelloFresh. So I'm not gonna cook it just yet, but since I got the package, I thought I'd just do the unboxing now, show you my first thoughts on it, because this is my first time trying anything like this. So it looks like this box has 3 meals prepared in it. It has this one, and this one. And basically HelloFresh gives you an option of what type of meals you want. I chose the veggie package. So they'd have like classic, which is regular with like meat and veggies, and then veggie, and then the last one's family plan. I'm trying to not eat meat this year. I'm not completely vegan or vegetarian, but that's the goal. So this is where we start. And they're all still cold. I'm very surprised. I'm pretty sure they put ice packs in here. Yep. Oh, this thing. This is what keeps everything cool. Oh my god, there's a juice in here. Oh, okay. Oh, I'm excited. There's green juice. I'm just gonna drink this right now because why not? Okay, out of these, this probably looks the most appetizing to me, the Gorgeous Greens bowl. So I'm gonna open the ingredients for that one. They've got it down to a T. So basically, like on this, they have all the ingredients that you should have in your bag. It tells you how long the prep time is, 20 minutes. Total time 40 minutes, and then 470 calories. So it's so detailed. They're basically, you know exactly what you're gonna do and what you're gonna get, and here's like step-by-step instructions with really clear pictures. I just love things that have like really clean instructions and clean branding. Like they got it on point. So I'm actually not gonna cook it now. I'm just gonna put it back in the bag and cook it later, but I'll bring you guys along with me when I decide to tackle that. Hey guys, it's a new day, and you might be able to tell my hair's different. I did my hair, but today I'm gonna start tackling the first meal. This one's gonna be the Gorgeous Greens farro bowl, the one that I showed you guys. So I'm just gonna lay it all out and try my best to do this right. I just wanna put a disclaimer that on a scale from 1 to 10 in cooking skills, I'm probably like a 3 or 4, so yeah. And by the way, if you guys are interested in trying out HelloFresh yourself, then you can get $30 off your first week of HelloFresh using the code Lavendaire30. So first, I'm gonna lay out all the ingredients from the bag. Just to clarify, HelloFresh is a service that delivers recipes and ingredients to your door. You choose a meal plan and a delivery day that works best with your schedule. There's a wide variety of chef-curated recipes that change every week, and each meal is less than $10 a person. I love the fact that they portion the ingredients for you so that you don't have to overbuy groceries. It's also teaching me new ways to cook, so I'm going out of my comfort zone and learning a lot in this process. Zest the peel? Like, that's my question. Am I zesting the peel, or do I cut a little bit of the peel off and then zest the white stuff? I don't know. Interesting. This is my first time zesting a lemon. Ooh, wow. I'm really impressed. Oh, this is cool. How much do I zest? Zest, then have lemon. I don't know. It's so interesting. This smells so good. I'm actually super proud that I made this because I never usually use the oven. Like baking scares me because when you're like taking hot things out of the oven, like I'm just scared to get burned. But I'm really proud. Let's taste it. Let's try it. Okay. I love the lemon zest. Wow. I'm gonna add more zest. So overall, I would say this is a success. The only thing is like, because I was filming myself, I took a little longer and I probably overcooked some of these things. Like I left the asparagus and zucchini in the oven a little too long, but I mean, now it's like nice and crispy. But yeah, I guess we just broke in my kitchen for the first time together and I'm really excited about it. I'm looking forward to cooking more healthy meals at home since that's one of my goals for this year, and I'm pretty proud of myself. I feel like my confidence in cooking has gone a little bit higher. I'm definitely gonna have to YouTube simple things like how to cut an onion, how to, you know, do those things. But anyway, if you guys are interested in checking out HelloFresh for yourself at home, I do have a $30 off promo code Lavendaire30. So just go to HelloFresh.com, enter that code Lavendaire30, and you'll get $30 off your first week. Okay, I'm gonna get back to eating this. So thank you so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you very soon with some new content in my new apartment. Bye.